Dating back to the Stone Age, cave drawings has been around since. The early humans' first attempts to communicate have then evolved into actual writings. From cave drawings to quill pens made from flight feathers of large birds with tips dipped in ink, to metal steel nibs used in the 19th century. It was made to have a much finer point, it did not need to be sharpened, and it lasted much longer than quill pens. Until the French government patented a fountain pen in May 1827. Unlike quills and nib pens, it was made to have a reservoir in its body or a cartridge that holds water-based liquid ink for longer writing. And in 1888, the ballpoint pen was invented, patented, and had been improved up to today's age. These actual writings have then evolved into animation videos, including whiteboard animation. It is now the world's most powerful way to tell stories and share information in today's digital age. Whether you're a corporate executive who is too busy to read text and prefer to watch business-related animated videos, a business professional who wants to use YouTube or social media ads for marketing needs, or whether you're a small business entrepreneur who want a significant edge over their competition, you have a better chance of getting more views and clicks into sales conversions, or a teenager who want to learn better and faster through visual media and communicate fun flawlessly. Whiteboard animation videos lend themselves quite well to any internet or social media platform. With whiteboard animation videos, you can better explain your business, whether it be products or services, and share your content in the most effective and efficient way possible. Whiteboard animation videos are equipped with great strategies to engage your audience with captivating drawn images that come to life, making and keeping your viewers eager to keep watching. Hence, creating an impact and increase on message retention of 15% than any other video styles. Through whiteboard animation videos, you can deliver high-quality information faster for the same budget as any other animation styles or multimedia platform. These are just some of the reasons why you should make whiteboard animation videos part of your business marketing strategy.